Hi, welcome to Puja classes. Today we will discuss about double entry system and classification of account. First हम समझ लेते हैं कि what is double entry system. As name is indicating, double entry system means every transaction that affect two account. According to this system, every business transaction affects at least two account in opposite direction. For example, furniture is purchased. In this transaction, furniture is increased whereas the cash is decreased. फर्नीचर तो हमारे पास आ रहा है और हमारे पास कैश जा रही है. It means the transaction has affected two account. There can be no transaction in the business which affect only one account or which has only one aspect. We can take another example. Salary paid to Mohan. सैलरी पे की मोहन को. अब यहाँ पे टू अकाउंट अफेक्ट हो रहे हैं, सैलरी एंड सेकंड इज कैश. दिस इज अ डबल एंट्री सिस्टम. लेट्स डू क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ अकाउंट्स. वी कैन क्लासिफाई अकाउंट इन टू टाइप्स. फर्स्ट वन पर्सनल अकाउंट एंड सेकंड इज impersonal account. And impersonal account can be classified in two types again. One is real account and second is nominal account. First one is personal account. Personal account means the account which are related to an individual, any firm, company, etc. are called personal account. For example, Mohan account, Ram account, DCM Limited account, ABC Limited account, bank account, etc. Means every account that is related to any individual, any firm, any company, any organization, etc. are called personal account. Second is impersonal account. Impersonal account can be classified in two types, real account and nominal account. First one is real account. The account of all those things whose value can be measured in terms of money and which are the property of the business. For example, cash account, building account, furniture account, machinery account, goodwill account, etc. Means every property of the business रियल अकाउंट की कैटेगरी में आती है. नॉमिनल अकाउंट, नेक्स्ट वन. नॉमिनल अकाउंट मीन्स दैट इंक्लूड ऑल द एक्सपेंसेस, ऑल द इनकम्स, ऑल द लॉसेस एंड ऑल द गेन्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सैलरी पेड और सैलरी रिसीव्ड, रेंट पेड और रेंट रिसीव्ड, wages paid or wages received, etc. Means we can say accounts are majorly classified in three types: personal account, real account and nominal account. Personal account is related to an individual, firm, company, etc. Real account is related with the property and nominal account is related with all the expenses, losses, gains and incomes. Let's understand the rule of these accounts. First one is personal account. Personal account किससे related था? To any individual, any firm, any company, any organization, etc. And its rule is debit the receiver and credit the giver. अभी हमने पढ़ा था कि डबल एंट्री सिस्टम में every transaction affect at least two account. Hence, rule of personal account is debit the receiver and credit the giver. Means जो भी रिसीव कर रहा है उसे डेबिट कर दो और जो भी दे रहा है उसको क्रेडिट कर दो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कैश पेड टू मोहन. मोहन को कैश पे की. अब यहाँ पे रिसीवर कौन है? मोहन. मोहन अकाउंट डेबिट, उसके अपोजिट में कैश अकाउंट अफेक्ट हो रहा है टू cash. Second is real account. Real account is related to the properties, and rule of the real account is debit what comes in and credit what goes out. जो भी बिजनेस में आ रहा है उसे डेबिट कर दो और जो भी बिजनेस से जा रहा है उसे क्रेडिट कर दो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फर्नीचर परचेज्ड फॉर कैश ₹5,000. 5,000 का बिजनेस परचेज किया. व्हाट इज कमिंग? फर्नीचर. व्हाट इज गोइंग? कैश. डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन. क्या आ रहा है हमारे पास? फर्नीचर. डेबिट द फर्नीचर. फर्नीचर account debit, and what is going? Cash. To cash account for ₹5,000. Last one is nominal account. Nominal account is related with all the expenses, income, losses and gains. Example, its rule is debit all the expenses and losses and credit all the incomes and gains. For example, salary received for ₹10,000. अब यहाँ पे सैलरी हमारी क्या है? Obviously it is income because we are receiving it. Entry will be cash account debit to salary because rule is credit all the incomes. और यहाँ पे सैलरी हमारी इनकम है तो यहाँ पे एंट्री होगी कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू सैलरी ₹10,000. Thus these are the rule of personal, real and nominal account. In next video we will study it in details and we will do the journal and we will learn how to posting the entries into the journal account. Thank you.